Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can simply update your NVIDIA graphic card driver on Windows 11. So there are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is if you have already NVIDIA panel right here, click on NVIDIA GeForce Experience and just wait until it's going to load. This is the first way how we're going to update it. The second way how we can update this, if you would go to Chrome, it's not starting yet. You can also write to Google, NVIDIA. Oh, here we go. You can write to Google NVIDIA graphics card drivers. So this is the second way. The first way, I will need to restart it, but you can find it right here. So this is the first way, is right click here, GeForce Experience, and it will show. The second way is download right here, and you just add here GeForce, you add what you got, operating system, you change everything, search, and then you simply download it. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So this is how you can simply update the NVIDIA graphic card for your Windows 11. There are two ways how you can do it. So yeah, if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and I got this error here right now for the first way. Goodbye.